Hello everyone, Hariharan from Indicator Master and Guider. Today we are going to see choppy indicator with the Fibonacci mix. Choppy indicators, how it is helping for Fibonacci levels. Okay, many people are asking me that. That's what I am giving the methodology. How we need to have the entry using of choppy indicators. Same case, many people is not understanding the Fibonacci level is showing correctly or not. It is the buy level is started or not. So that kind of doubt is while coming, that time we can have the reference with the choppy indicators, right? So that's what I am bringing now with choppy indicators usage mixing of Fibonacci level. Okay, this Fibonacci level I have posted many videos, okay, in my channel. You can have and refer and you can learn about Fibonacci indicators, how it works. Okay, so now we can see some few demos, right? Here I can showing pure trend. It is a crude oil. Actually, I am taken for crude oil, right? You can which is your index, or if you are using, you can change the index, because I'm very much love about this crude oil. So that's what I am mostly I am trading crude oils. That's what I am doing the research with the crude oil only. But many indicators is related similarly will work with the indicators. Similarly, how it's work in the sense high volatile and high price movement indicator, all indicators will works well. Okay, the choppy level of segments never indicators will not work. Okay, so who are all using indicators, okay, please understand that choppy level of price movement, okay, none of the indicators will not give good signals. Which is having high volume, high price move, all indicators will work good. So this is a small thumb rule. I'm keeping have the discipline same. You who are all loving indicators, you select according to the segments. Okay, right? I'm showing here. I am coming to the subject. I am showing here the price movement, the crude oil price movement. Okay, same case here. I have selected many of the choppy indicators, choppy level of indicators, right? What is the difference of these three? I will show the difference three. Okay, so you can have the screenshot while showing this setting. Okay, because I am analyzed and I am selected this setting for my trading. Okay, that is I am going to show now, right? This first line which is I am showing, right? This first line of choppy indicator you insert in this indicators is available in our Kite platform. Just go to indicator, you type choppy. Okay, right, CHOPY, choppy zone indicator. This one you select, this like this way will come, right? After that, this format you go there and go there. You can select here, the column is there, you can see cross mark. Okay, this is the in style area, right? Whichever you color you want, you can keep it, right? Same case, you can make it as bigger also. Okay, so next thing, inputs you are coming. Okay, inputs also you can keep it whatever you like. You can take it. Just a minute, right? Yeah, sorry, before that I was shown the CCA indicators I have shown, right? Yeah, chop indicators, this indicators is available. This indicators is values, nothing is there, but all these are levels. All these are 1 Fibonacci level. Many people who are all doing the research in indicators, they can understand these choppy indicators. Many people while seeing it, this is normal color, it is giving color, but this is not really giving color. This is giving meaningful levels. Okay, while using, then only people can understand realistic. That is I am going to explain now. That's what the subject today, right? So many colors I am here it will be showing. Okay, these colors you need to change according to my setting. Okay, one more time I will explain. I am removing this choppy zone. Okay, so you go to indicator, then choppy, you enter choppy zone, you select this choppy zone, like this way will come in our kite platform. Go to setting, then this many colors will indicate. These colors you need to change according to my setting. Same case, this column you need to change to cross. Okay, so this cross you need to make as a bigger. You see bottom side changing slightly, right? Right. Just if you give okay, normal will come like this way in your computer also. It is not bigger magic. You don't buy any tools from outside. It is available with our kite trading platform, right? So this is I will remove this now because already we are having 3. If you want to add one more like the 3 types, you can add here. Okay, now I will remove this. Okay, now I will come to this subject. Okay, so this first level of color setting. Okay, first level 0, 1 I am keeping as a green, all other up to 6 I am keeping as a red, then 7 and 8 I am keeping as a green. This is of Fibonacci level. I have changed as a color. While price movement, this will be helpful to us. Okay, according to that I am making here is the cross, right? Just I am giving okay. Second level. Okay, second level in the sense this second setting, right? I am going to show now. Okay, so first 3 will be green. Okay, then 2 red, green, 6 is the red, and 7, 8 is the. This is also one of the meaning of the Fibonacci level. I am keeping here as a color change. Okay, this is also you can make it your platform like this way. Then I am going third one of our choppy zone, green, yellow, red, like that. I have changed the movement because of flat market or it is slow market, like that I have changed the colors. This is one of the setting, right? Okay, so 3 setting has come. Okay, so after that while seeing here you can able to find okay first line. Okay, here red zone is coming again. Okay, the trend is changing. Okay, like this way it is coming, right? Okay, fine. So what we need to do in the sense, normally all indicators, all people will tell 3 all are if giving the signal, we need to take the trade like that way, right? So same the concept only. If 3 is showing the red, we can go for sell. If 3 is green, we can go for buy. Okay, this is our thumb rule, correct? But not like that way. Okay, so what this choppy indicator is telling is, before that we need to draw the Fibonacci level to take the trade with the usage of choppy indicators. Okay, so I will show how to use this choppy indicator. I take this Fibonacci level for swing high and swing low. 1 minute. Yes, here I will mark swing high. The price is okay. So I am draw the line here. Okay, swing high 3256. I drawn. Okay, same case swing low. I am drawing the Fibonacci. Who all not doesn't know this? My video is available. Training video is available. You can take from that, right? Okay, I am drawing from here top to bottom. Okay, now the Fibonacci trend level is, we got it, right? So here many videos, in training videos, I am taking that. Okay, this buy zone will be above 50%. Okay, above 50%, I am always telling that it is a buy zone, like that I will tell. Same case below 50%, always sell zone. I will be indicating my weekly prediction, and even though I am telling that level also within this range only, I am not changing my concept. Okay, this is the same concept we are using regularly, right? Okay, so what is the correlation in between of choppy indicators? Same case our Fibonacci level. Okay, I am coming to that point, right? Okay, here you can see, just I'm changing the timing only because of to understand very clearly, right? Okay, so now you are very visible, I think so, because this higher swing high I marked, swing low here I marked. Okay, even I think you're unable to view, I will mark like this way, right? Okay, price will be breaking. You can see always buy zone. Here I'm keeping as a buy zone. Here I keeping as a sell zone. First I'm marking here. Okay, carefully listen. Okay, this 50% always I'm telling that below 50% will be sell, above 50% will be buy, right? Here you can see the candle is getting break. Okay, so that time what we have to do in the sense, we need to see here the bottom of the choppy indicators. Okay, that time we need to take the decision the trend has changed to sell mode. Okay, now we are very clear. Okay, like this way. Same case, I am changing the timing, charge timing. Okay, so that's what I am changing now. 15 minutes I am going to keep. Right. Okay, after I am keeping this, okay, the trend has changed from here. Okay, so who are all taken the training? Okay, the golden ratio number will be 38. I mean in this place 61 will come. Okay, so who are all taken the training, they can understand this is a vice versa will happen. Okay, so in this case this area will be golden ratio. Okay, suppose in reverse case this area will be golden ratio. If it is breaking, okay, so again sell trend change will happen. So that's what, while touching the price here, our straight away our indicators has shown as a sell side, the trend has changed. Like that, it is indication has come. Okay, once this the turning is happening, the price turning is if happening. Okay, so according to our setting, this kind of mark will come based on our trend change direction. Okay, we can understand that even though while continuous red, if continuous red comes, this intermediate yellow white, if it is coming, in the sense our trend is over, we need to be very careful. This retrace may take place. Like that we need to understand. Okay, even though if we are seeing this kind of two greens, okay, we should not take the trade, because okay, this price is in sell zone side. Okay, you can make the rewind this video and see once again, it is a price is in sell zone. We should not take the trade against the trend, we need to take only sell trend. Okay, so now I will change back to 30 minutes to make clear the concept. Okay, so I am going to come back. Okay, maximum of the days is in now. Okay, the same price only, there is no change of this price hitting level, same level only up to this keeping, because to show the buy level, right? Okay, so who are all interested to learn Fibonacci, please register with my mobile number. I can teach you very clearly how it's work. Okay, so same like way many indicators is available with me, that is also I will share it to you. Okay, now we'll see buy scenario. Okay, so now after reaching this point, okay, I mean 78%, the trend is getting reversed. Okay, while seeing reverse trend, okay, after passing of 50%, okay, our indicators also will give green signal. So now you can understand that after drawing this Fibonacci, if your chop zone indicators, if you are using, you can get the clear signal the trend is starting or not. So that will be very clear. Okay, that's what I am always telling it. Same case, sometime why this price has dropped. Okay, many people can understand here also. After touching our this level, okay, definitely retrace will take, because the Fibonacci power is retracement is the power. Okay, so that's what we need to be trade very carefully in this level, in this addressing. Okay, training time also many time I'm telling that this level is not exact price, this is all levels. Okay, so I think this will be very clarity. I'm believing it. I'm explained very clearly. Who are all having the doubt, please post in the comment box your doubts. Okay, by trying to clear your doubts in the next video itself. Okay, thank you for watching, thank you very much. Okay, you can have the clear setting in your platform. Okay, so my intention is you don't want to keep I think third party. Okay, which is available. The kite tool is very much very user friendly to me, because I'm not a selling person of this kite platform, which is available. This platform I'm using, I'm sharing my experience. That's all. This is only for education purpose. Okay, thank you for watching. Who are all likes, please have the comment box and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you very much. In our YouTube channel, many videos, educational videos is available. Okay, you can take them, choose, and you can see and refer that details. Okay, so one more thing, important thing I'm like to share here. Okay, I'm conduct the training to all. Okay, so it is the training will be in a one-to-one online training will be there. It is charges will be minimum. Okay, you can get the details through my 1305702238. Okay, so you can cross check my indicator master and guide telegram number. Okay, some of the special days. Okay, not all the days. Many days I am sharing my levels. Okay, it is will be good level. Okay, so here the training will be Fibonacci drawing, how to draw, and Fibonacci important levels, and the entry and the exit, why we need to use, right? So next thing, super trend setting for crude oil. Okay, overall trading commodity sessions I will include this, and if they are doing equity, okay, Nifty or Bank Nifty, whatever it is, according to that I will share the settings to you. Okay, super trend, how to trade. Okay, so that is much important. In normal super trend, if you keep on trading, that will be failure will be more. So with some of the conditions will be there. That condition I will explain to you. Special thing I am showing here, like Ichimoku cloud, the importance to trade. Okay, so what is the importance of the trading using Ichimoku cloud? That is also I will explain. So the success rate will be much more. Okay, so subscribe our channel. Okay, even if you are interested, please message me for your training details. Okay, I will share that. I will share the charges details also. Okay, thank you for watching. Subscribe our channel. Okay, thank you.